Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa says, I was going to Ghaba from Medina Munawwara. When I reached the mountain pass of Ghaba, I came across a slave of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu. I said, Woe to you! What brought you here? He replied, The milk she-camel of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has been poached. I asked, Who has poached it? He replied, The people of the tribe Ghatafan and Fazara have taken it away. So I shouted out, Ya Sabaha, thrice so loudly, so that the people living in every nook and corner of Medina Munawwara may hear it. Then I rushed till I reached near them, so I started shooting arrow at them, saying, I am the son of Aqwa. It is a day of perdition for the means, so I recovered the she-camel from them before they could drink its milk. When I returned retrieving it, I met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were thirsty and seized the she-camel from them before they drank its milk. If you think it proper, send some people in there pursue it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O the son of Aqwa, you overpowered them, so forgive them. Besides, they will be entertained by their folk. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3041.